In this third and last exercise, we will use the support muscles in a more fluid kind of way. So we will try to teach our voice to get anchored in our abdominal muscles, or teach our body to connect our voice to the belly, okay, if you will. For a variety of reasons, we will use a deep ooh vowel. So this exercise is a little bit more complex because you have to think about a couple of things. So first, the jaw position. For now, we want to teach our body to open the jaw vertically and keep it that way. So drop your jaw and purse your lips like this. Ooh, ooh. Okay? When you go up, when the scale goes up and you sing higher and higher and higher, your jaw can have a tendency to close off a little bit, you know, raise back up like this. Ooh, you know, just oh, and just closes off everything for you. So to mitigate that, you can put your hands on your cheeks like this. So you drop your jaw, put your hands like this, and then you can feel it, right? So when you feel your jaw moving, just keep your hands like this, and that will help you to keep it in the same position. We want the jaw to be set in stone. You don't move it at all, like this. Like this, okay? I don't move it at all. Second, the sound. So you want it to be dark, deep, and grounded. Like we are completely anchored in chest voice, you know? You want to feel your chest and your face vibrating, you know, and rumble. It will be different from singer to singer because some singers have a naturally higher pitched voice, so, you know, their chest won't shake that much, but everyone has a chest voice. So we stay in chest voice 100%. If you want, you can think about an opera singer, a baritone or bass opera singer, and imitate him, if that's an image that helps you. So it's a powerful sound, but attention, only sing as loud as possible comfortably, always. And then third and last, your abdominal muscles. This is a support exercise. When you squeeze your sides, right, and you want to push your hands outwards when you support, you don't want to do it right away, like, you know, and it's locked, like, you know, this is not like how the support works. You want it to be fluid, gradual, you know, like this. I will try to exaggerate the movement a little bit so that you can see it clearly. I don't know if you could see that. It's like more, you know, the higher I sing, the more I contract. The lower I sing, the more I relax my muscles. And when I inhale, I'll relax them completely.